This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome and the Debugger extension. Now begin. Open DevTools and the Adobe Experience Cloud Debugger pane so you can see tag firing in real time. Enable network recording and disable cache to prevent stale responses. This ensures each hit is fresh. Once done, load the page and use the extensions toggle to start capturing. You do this because raw console logs misstructured beacon details. The debugger parses variables, events, and response status so you can validate tracking immediately. Now, focus on the how and why of inspection. Filter network requests to show Adobe Analytics beacons and open the parsed view in the debugger so you can read evars, props, events, and context data cleanly. Step through the sequence of hits to confirm the order of page and link calls. Timing matters for attribution. Use the query string view when you need raw values and cross-check against your implementation spec to identify mismatches or missing parameters before you move to validation. To finish, validate that each beacon shows the correct variables, expected events, and a 200 response. Also check there are no duplicate hits. If something fails, reproduce in incognito and clear cookies so extensions or session state aren't masking problems. Make sure environment switches or data layer differences aren't the cause. If it still breaks, record console errors, capture a HAR, and note timestamps. This gives you the context an engineer needs to trace server-side or tag manager issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.